So Jace, shh. Practice C on the back says answer each question with the type of sentence indicated. Use correct punctuation. So you are coming up with your own answer to the question, but number 11 says, what would you tell someone to do to report an accident? And you're supposed to answer that and make sure you're using an imperative sentence. So if you need someone to report an accident, you would probably say something like, call 911. And that is a complete sentence. The subject is understood. It's whoever you're talking to. You look at them and you say, call 911. You probably would use an exclamation point, but it would still be an imperative sentence. Sometimes something that you tell someone is really urgent, right? Like if you're watching a small child, if you're taking care of a small child and they're about to touch the hot stove or go in the street, you're going to have some excitement in your voice, strong feeling in your voice because it's urgent. Okay?
Yeah, you're gonna have some excitement for a 3-year-old to touch a hot oven.
Can you do all these with us? Because I don't get these.
Okay. So number 12, what type of information would you report? The sentence that we write needs to be declarative, meaning a statement. So there
Goes the fire truck.
has been an accident. Yes.
I feel like the sentence. I just put when and where the accident occurred. Gotta actually write my sentence.
So that is a statement. Probably you would give more information, but just to keep it simple and easy, we're going to write that. There has been an accident.
Sir, can you hear me?
What could you ask someone who was just involved in an accident? Julia?
What happened?
Are you
Like,
okay?
was it your fault?
What happened?
Are you okay?
Are you
sir?
all right?
Can you hear me?
Do you need help?
Can you hear me, sir?
Okay, guys, 7th grade, you need to raise your hands. Any of those would be questions, and an interrogative sentence means a question. So any of those kinds of things would be a question. What happened? How are you? Was anyone hurt? Any of those things are something you would say to someone who had just been in an accident, which is an interrogative sentence. It's a question. Dakota?
Can I? No. Never mind. I'll publish.
Emma?
Can you push me?
One moment, yes.
That's why I'm trying to help.
Number, okay,
With the front page.
okay. Number 14, what might you say to a bystander who is about to move a victim with a neck injury? Emma?
Ooh, be careful, his neck's bleeding.
Okay.
I know. Oh, pick Jace.
Be careful.
Pick Jace. Don't pick Jace. Definitely don't pick Donovan. Pick Jace.
I'm not going to pick either one of you because you can't keep your mouths shut.
That's a big group.
Micah, shh. Brooklyn,
Don't do it.
don't do it.
Don't do it. You need to go to the hospital. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Well, and really,
Well, you can have.
If someone has a neck injury, you're not supposed to move them. You have to be incredibly careful.
And even then you have to
Stabilize
be careful.
level.
Yes.
Don't do
Just
it.
stable.
Don't do it. Let them die.
Yes.
No,
Exactly.
No,
You
what
could
you do,
paralyze
you
them.
go.
Yeah, you can paralyze them if they're not too much, even though there's already, you could have more damage than there already is.
Yes. Micah, if you are having some questions on the front, are you doing this part with us?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna be quiet so we can get through it and then I can help you. Number 15. How would you tell someone to help a person who is choking? Olivia, Julia,
Give them a highlight.
give them the Heimlich.
What's the Heimlich?
That's where you get behind somebody and you pump into their stomach to make whatever's choked, whatever they're choking on, come out. Why is that so funny?
I thought that meant like you licked something. What's a Heimlich? What's a Heimlich? Like a fire truck? Yeah, like a fire truck. There you go.
Why did I put give someone? I didn't mean to put that.
Them.
Give them.
Give him a Heimlich.
Give someone. Go up to a random person that's not choking. Give them a highlight.
Oh, that can give it to them anyway.
Give
That's how you spell it.
Give them a lick.
I am going to go ahead and talk about the rest of it and for the video and then I will let you guys work, okay? Mouths need to be shut. If you have questions about certain parts, we can come back to it, okay? Practice. Shh. Quiet. Practice A, we are dividing the sentence between the subject and the predicate. It says if a sentence has an understood subject, draw a vertical line before the predicate. So number 1, make exercise a regular part of your routine. Raise your hand. Who is that sentence talking to? Emma?
No.
No? Dakota?
The understood you.
Yes. So your line goes at the front because it's an understood subject, you. The person being talked to is you. If I look at you and I say, make exercise a regular part of your routine, I'm talking to you. That's the subject. The health benefits are substantial. The line goes before the verb, just like it went before make. What's the verb? Raise your hand.
A verb is
Brooklyn? No?
Wait, do we have to do this? Right now?
Are, yes. So the line goes right
Oh my
before
gosh, I got it right.
are.
Oh,
Shh. We're going to go on to part B for right now, okay? Underline each simple subject once and each simple predicate twice. If the subject is understood, write you to the left of the sentence. Certain factors will increase or lessen the effectiveness of your exercise program. So we're going to make the line here before the verb. What is the subject of the sentence? Factors. Factors what? Will increase. Subject is who the sentence is about or what the sentence is about. The simple predicate is the verb. Sometimes it's a physical thing like running, jumping. Sometimes it's a helping verb, and those are up here on my board. Top right there, it has am, is, are, was. Those are some of the helping verbs. Also state of being verbs. Emma?
So for instance, like in practice A, do you want us to finish that?
I do want you to finish practice A, but you do not have to underline subject and predicate. You're just dividing it. On part B, I want you to underline subject and predicate. Okay? Guys, part C is like part B, except that you don't need to divide the sentence. You're just underlining subject and predicate. So this one, wear comfortable clothes. Who is that talking to? You. So you can go ahead and put you in parentheses, and then the action is wear. And on the next sentence, there's another action, surround. For today, I want you to do 52 and 53. So that's front and back. If you go on, that is fine. But if you're not finished, I want you to focus on just finishing 52 and 53 for now. And I want you to keep this because we're going to finish it probably tomorrow. Okay? So finish 52 and 53. It's not homework, but I want you to keep it. If you get done with 53, go ahead and do 54. Okay? Dakota?
Will we go over this tomorrow?
Yes. We will either go over it or I will collect it and check it. So you will get some feedback about how you're doing, whether we check it as a class or whether I check yours.